there may be a short time lag between the starting of fuel injection and ignition. When the period of injection is long, the fuel that is present already inside the engine gets ignited because of the highly compressed air, and this results in knocking. Modern diesel engines use electronic common rail injection systems which injects fuel in a precise manner, and hence there will be fewer chances of knocking. There are certain properties of fuel like octane number, cetane number, etc. that can also determine the amount of knock.